Ag Day weather, sponsored by Yamaha's full line of real-world tough ATVs and side-by-side vehicles.
Mike Hoffman joins us again for weather. Mike, you showed us some viewers that are baling hay this week. It's a hot one to be out there baling hay and moving hay.
I baled hay by hand when I was younger, so that's a little bit harder than some of these big bales anymore, but the heat's definitely on across the southern plains. But we are going to cut back on the heat just a little bit in the northern plains, Great Lakes, Ohio Valley as this cold front kind of moves southeastward. It's not exactly cool behind it, but it's less humid. But if you live south of this stationary front in the central plains from Kansas southward, the heat's not going to abate anytime soon. Let's put the maps into motion. Storm system over the eastern and southern portions of the Great Lakes will continue to move slowly southeastward, so showers and thunderstorms in eastern Ohio Valley during the day today. Pop-up showers and thunderstorms still in parts of Florida and other sections of the southeast, but look at the southwest and the southern plains. It's just dry and hot. Now, when I say dry, no rain, but it's still pretty humid east of the Rockies, a lot drier off to the west. But it is a little bit cooler, especially in the southwestern portions of the country, the western sections of the Four Corner region, and especially behind that cool front off across the northwestern sections of the country. That's where a lot of the showers are going to be out that way. And as we head through tomorrow morning, there'll be some showers in the mid-Atlantic, central Appalachians. Those are really the two focus areas as we head into tomorrow morning. By afternoon, then, we'll see a few showers and thunderstorms pop up along this front from the northern plains all the way down into the southeast. Checking out precipitation estimates over the past 24 hours, you can see been fairly heavy. Parts of the panhandle of Florida and other sections around there. Just hit and miss areas getting maybe a ½ inch to an inch elsewhere, mid-Atlantic into the Great Lakes. Adding on the next 36 hours, we're going to add some more from the southern Great Lakes into the mid-Atlantic, and we will add a little bit more from the panhandle of Florida back into parts of northern Mississippi, central Alabama, those areas. Let's check out temperatures. Boy, this is where the heat is. These purple areas are triple digits expected from our computer model. You can see the heat has been cut down, though, in the southwest, especially the western sections of that Four Corner region. As we head through tonight, then it's going to remain very muggy. Some areas won't even get into the 70s. They'll stay around 80 degrees from South Texas all the way into parts of Oklahoma. A little bit cooler Great Lakes from the northeast, but the heat continues from Kansas southward into Plain States tomorrow. 90s to near 100 in many areas. That's all because of this ridge. Trough out west brought that cool air, but watch what happens. The ridge builds eastward into the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes, so the heat comes roaring in this weekend, and it gets cut back again by the next trough, and the ridge builds back into the southwest, so you folks enjoying some cooler temperatures. Not going to last long. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. First of all, for Flagstaff, Arizona, sunny, breezy, and comfortable today. High temperature of 76. Duluth, Minnesota, a mixture of clouds and sunshine and rather cool, high of 65. And Florence, South Carolina, warm and humid, maybe a spotty afternoon storm, high 94.